How many times have you been right about direction, but still lost money when day trading? It's frustrating, isn't it? You analyze the market perfectly, predict the move, and yet you end up watching your profits evaporate. Or worse, you're stuck in the red. Here's the truth. It's not your strategy that's broken, it's your entry. And today I'm going to teach you how to find the low risk, high profit entries without ever chasing trades ever again. Welcome to the channel, where we focus on smart trading strategies designed to make you more profitable and consistent. If you've ever felt the frustration of entering trades too late or too early, this video is for you. Today we're going to dive into how to master the art of timing your entries just perfectly so that you can maximize your profits while minimizing your risk. And before we jump in, be sure and hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you never miss a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to take your trading to the next level. And be sure and stay till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can join my amazing Discord channel where you get access to powerful tools like the Smart Target tool that I'll be showing you in this video, the AI Smart Momentum Scanner that we use every day, and access to the full ProTraders Mentoring Program before the price goes up. So let's dive right in. So let's talk about why most traders lose money even when they're right about the market's direction. The problem often lies in chasing. Chasing trades happens when you're reacting emotionally instead of strategically. You see the market moving up, 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 and you jump in, afraid that you might miss the move. But here's the thing, guys. By the time you enter those kinds of trades, the move is often already overextended. So the risk is really extreme, and you're buying somebody else's profit that they're selling to you. The key to success isn't predicting the market, it's positioning yourself at the right time with the right risk to reward setup. And that's exactly what we're going to be breaking down in this video. So how do you stop chasing and entering a trade like a pro? It comes down to just 3 simple principles. The best entries happen when the market comes to you. I always wait for price to retrace to a key level before I enter. This could be a support or resistance zone, a retracement to our algo's smart money or liquidity level, or even a moving average. The second key is understanding liquidity zones or smart money zones. You see, the big institutions, they look for liquidity before they move on the market. They want to trap retail traders who are chasing or panic selling. By identifying liquidity zones, you can position yourself where the institutions are likely to enter. And the third element is using a pre-planned risk to reward ratio. Every trade that you take should have at least a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. And this ensures that even if you're only right half of the time, you're still consistently growing your account. Now let's talk about the tools that make finding these entries easier. First, I use Smart Targets. I give my ProTrader members my Smart Target tool, which pinpoints those institutional liquidity levels. And these are exact entry and exit levels based on the market structure and price action. This eliminates guesswork and ensures that we're only entering trades with strong setups. Next is the AI Momentum Scanner, which filters stocks that only meet our trading and momentum criteria. This game-changing tool scans the market in real time for high probability setups. Instead of spending hours glued to your charts, you can let the scanner do the heavy lifting and alert you to the best opportunities. And that happens right here in the Discord channel. And so let's talk about the Discord channel. And that's the last element in this whole equation. Our private Discord channel is where we get all of these AI alerts, smart liquidity levels, day trade plans, watch lists, trade guidance, and support. It's not just about the tools. It's about having a network of full trade guidance, which helps you improve and be profitable. Now let's put this together with a step-by-step strategy. Start with a clean chart. Remove all of the clutter. Focus on smart liquidity targets and levels, EMAs, and color-coded trends like this. Keep it simple, because overcomplicated charts lead to overcomplicated decisions. Wait for the pullback to support and liquidity. Never enter during a breakout. Instead, wait for the market to pull back to that SMART level identified by the SMART target tool. And that's because these are highly reactionary support and resistance levels. Use confirmation signals. Look for volume signals to confirm that price will push to confirm the strength of the move and your entry. Set your entry, your stop loss, and then take profit. Your stop loss should always be placed below a recent support level. Usually this will be just below the SMART liquidity line that your algo plots for you. And as price moves up into profit, your trailing stop will then be the EMA. Your take profit should aim for at least 3 times the distance of your stop loss. And then let the trade play out. Once you're in the trade, just stick to your plan. Don't move your stop loss unless it's to lock in profits. And don't close the trade early out of fear. Discipline is key. So let's see how this works with a real trade that our pro traders took today from our Discord alerts. At 7:44 this morning, my time, my AI scanner alerted the Discord group of BDMD, and I noticed some key factors that made this trade stand out. First, it had not only reclaimed the 200 EMA on the 1-minute chart, but it gave us a technical breakout from a strong daily level of $3.10. This was a big technical signal for strength that it was likely to attempt to reach that all-time high target of $7.88. So that was my goal. At the time the scanner alerted our Discord group, price was moving way too fast, which seriously increases risk. So the game plan in this kind of situation is to just let the trade come to me. Or in other words, let price pull back to support, which reduces risk to almost zero. And this thick white line right here at $3.10, that's the technical breakout level from that daily chart that I showed you. And as you can see, price actually sold below it and finally settled and held at that 50 EMA, which is this blue line. And yes, I could have entered at the 50 EMA, but because it was below this strong $3.10 level, which was a daily resistance level, I decided to wait until it proved that $3.10 SMART level as support. And that would give me an entry with almost zero risk, because I'd use that as my stop loss. And at 8:43 a.m., this little candle gave me the signal to enter. You see this small body green candle with a tall wick and a shorter tail bouncing off the $3.10 level? That's exactly what I was looking for. So I took the safe entry above the daily technical breakout level, that $3.10 thick line here, and my entry was $3.45 with my stop loss at the $3.10, that thick line, and my target was the all-time high that it had previously made on the daily chart of $7.88. And these white lines all the way up, they served as my trailing stop levels. And here's the thing, guys. If price doesn't react to these levels on the way up, meaning price doesn't consolidate or reject at the level, then it absolutely will react in some manner on the way down. There's an old saying, price takes the stairs up and the elevator down. But in this case, as you can see, price did the opposite. It took the elevator up and the stairs down. So that's just a nice visual for you to help you remember. So BDMD took the elevator up, at least until it reached this $6.85 level. And then it started to struggle to reach that $7.88. And guys, this is a Chinese stock, and I'm highly cautious when trading China stocks for many reasons that I won't get into here, maybe in another video. But price did reach my target of $7.88. So I decided to sell when I saw the price struggle in this area. And I sold all my shares at $7.45, making a whopping $4 per share profit in just 20 minutes. Volume overall on this one was very good, and the trade didn't disappoint. But I want to point out that the trade was not a chase, nor was it merely a lucky trade. This had nothing to do with luck and everything to do with smart, logical planning, which I did well in advance of my entry. I started planning after the first big move this stock made, right after opening bell. Keep in mind that I didn't enter this trade for almost a full hour after it hit our Discord group. There was no reckless chasing. I didn't enter until I saw confirmation that this trend would in fact continue and make new all-time highs. Had I chased and entered on this first alert that our Discord received, well, maybe I would have made money. I probably would have. And then it would have been a rough ride at best until price proved the technical breakout level. So I ended up with a much better, high probability, low stress trade simply by waiting for price to confirm continuation at support. And that's so important, guys. That's always the game plan. Only buy at support, never chase. So let's talk about common mistakes that day traders make when trying to improve their entries. Jumping the gun. Entering trades without waiting for confirmation is a recipe for disaster. So be patient. It's better to miss a trade than to lose money on a bad one. Ignoring market context. Always consider the bigger picture. Are you trading against the trend? Is market ranging or is it trending? Context is everything. Risking too much. Even the best entry won't save you if you over-leveraged. Stick to a risk management plan that limits your losses to no more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Mastering low-risk, high-reward entries is the difference between a struggling trader and a consistently profitable trader. It's not about being right all the time. It's about making the right trades at the right time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing education and trading strategies that will really bring you into profitability and transform your results. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified as soon as another video is uploaded. And hey, if you're ready to level up your trading and become a seriously profitable trader, head over to MomentumStockTraders.com right now. We're offering a big, deep discount for a little bit longer. It's going to go up soon, but you can still take advantage of it right now, and you'll get full access to the amazing Discord channel and all of the AI alerts, which are the most profitable moves of the day before they happen. And you'll get access to amazing tools like the Smart Target tool and trade guidance on every trade. And thanks for watching. And remember, trading isn't about chasing profits. It's about letting the market come to you. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.